Let's create a quiz on AdvancePrep. After logging in, we are on the dashboard. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Take Quiz option. Click on it. You'll now be taken to the quiz creation page. Here, you can see the number of credits remaining in your account, along with all the options needed to create a personalized quiz. First, go to Child Selection and choose the child for whom you want to generate the quiz. Next, select the academic year. Then choose the subject. You'll only see the subjects for which you've already uploaded PDFs or images. Now select the topic. Since I've uploaded only one chapter, that's the only topic available. Next comes one of AdvancePrep's most powerful features. You can choose the difficulty level of your quiz, whether you want it to be easy, medium, or hard. Now select the quiz style. You can choose to see the answer and explanation after each question, or view all answers and explanations after completing the entire quiz. Once everything is selected, click Create Quiz. AdvancePrep will now generate your personalized quiz. When it's ready, click Resume, and your quiz will open. Now it's time to start answering the questions. Every question is intelligently generated using mind mapping technology. AdvancePrep analyzes your uploaded chapter, breaks it into different concepts, and creates questions from each concept. This helps AdvancePrep identify exactly which concepts the student has mastered and which concepts need more improvement. Once you've answered all the question and completed the quiz, click Submit. Your results will be generated instantly. You can now review every question, check the correct answers, read the detailed explanations, and understand exactly where you made mistakes. After reviewing your performance, you can either retake the current quiz or generate a brand new quiz from the same chapter to strengthen your understanding and improve your score.